Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Running Dynamics Pod is probably one of the most transformative gadgets for runners seeking to enhance their performance and prevent injuries, offering real-time feedback on your running form, cadence, stride length, and ground contact time. These handy devices empower you to make data-driven adjustments to your training, leading to improved efficiency, reduced risk of injury, and ultimately, better race times. Number 5. Garmin Forerunner 245 Music. It's the ultimate GPS running smartwatch. It combines advanced training features with your favorite music, all in one sleek device. It features a Corning Gorilla Glass 3 lens and a fiber-reinforced polymer bezel for durability. The comfortable silicone strap ensures a perfect fit. Get up to 7 days of battery life in smartwatch mode and 6 hours in GPS mode with music. Power through your workouts without worrying about running out of juice. It helps you monitor your training status, preventing overtraining or undertraining. It also provides advanced running dynamics for a deeper understanding of your performance. Get free adaptive training plans from Garmin Coach, or create your own custom workouts. The possibilities are endless. It includes incident detection, which automatically sends your location to emergency contacts during select activities. Stay safe and connected. Sync it with your favorite music streaming services like Spotify. Enjoy your favorite playlists right from your wrist. What we like. It boasts GPS, music storage, and advanced running dynamics. If you are looking for a comprehensive fitness watch that tracks your runs and plays your favorite tunes, this is the one for you. Its advanced metrics help you improve your running form, making it perfect for serious runners who want to optimize their performance. It's also great for those who value convenience and want to have everything in one device. What people say. It tracks my road and trail running stats, quickly syncs to the Connect app on my phone, and provides all the details I want to know. It's lightweight, comfortable to wear, easy to set up, and easy to use. I've thoroughly enjoyed using the watch for runs, bikes, and swims. It has definitely helped me exercise smarter through the given data points. I've also found that seeing these metrics allows you to set more quantifiable goals that are fun to work towards. The Garmin Connect IQ store allows you to download some pretty useful apps like Weather Radar, Flight Radar, and even a beer tracking app. Number 4. Garmin HRM-PRO Heart Rate Strap. Experience the next level of fitness tracking with the Garmin HRM-PRO. It provides real-time heart rate data and advanced running dynamics, all in a comfortable and lightweight design. It transmits your heart rate instantly to your Garmin device, compatible gym equipment, or fitness apps like Swift. Stay connected and monitor your performance in real time. Go beyond basic heart rate. It captures detailed running metrics such as vertical oscillation, ground contact time, and stride length, helping you improve your running form. It cleverly stores your heart rate data even when it's out of range of your watch, such as during swimming. It automatically syncs everything later. It tracks your steps, calories burned, and intensity minutes throughout the day, syncing seamlessly with your compatible Garmin watch. It's designed with a soft, comfortable strap and a small, lightweight module. You'll barely notice it's there. Enjoy a full year of use on a single battery charge. Focus on your fitness, not on changing batteries. What we like. This premium heart rate strap provides real-time heart rate data and advanced running dynamics. If you need accurate heart rate monitoring during your workouts, and you want to improve your running form, this is the perfect choice. Its long battery life means you can wear it for extended periods without worrying about recharging. It's suitable for athletes who prioritize precise data and long-lasting performance. What people say. The accuracy is top-notch, it pairs well with the mobile app and it's perfect for working out on my trainer or on the roads. This HRM-PRO was much more reliable with the added bonus of the running dynamics metrics. The strap paired instantly with the Connect app and with my Forerunner 265. When I start a run, the chest strap is detected very quickly, much more quickly than the other brand. So far, it has been glitch-free. The extra metrics you get with the strap in Garmin Connect are pretty cool too. The strap is definitely more comfortable than the other brand and seems to have a little bit more room for larger runners as well. Number 3. Garmin Running Dynamics Pod. This small device is a game changer for runners. It seamlessly integrates with your compatible Garmin device to provide detailed running metrics. It computes and sends 6 crucial running dynamics metrics to your compatible device, helping you analyze your performance and improve your technique. With a replaceable battery, it offers up to a year of use with just 1 hour of daily use. You can focus on your runs, not battery life. It's designed for convenience. It automatically turns on and off, so you don't have to worry about managing it. At under 5 ounces, it's incredibly lightweight. You'll barely notice it's there while you run. It seamlessly pairs with your compatible Garmin device, providing valuable insights to enhance your running experience. What we like. It provides 6 key running metrics and has a long-lasting battery. If you want to enhance your running analysis without the bulk of additional devices, this is a great option. Its small size makes it comfortable to wear during any run, and the long battery life ensures you're always ready to track your progress. It's ideal for runners who want accurate data without any extra weight or hassle. What people say. Works as advertised to provide info about stride length, vertical ratio, vertical oscillation, ground contact time balance, and ground contact time. Clips easily onto the back of shorts, training pants, tights, and feel secure, have not had any instances of it coming off. The actual pod is encased in a silicone housing from which it can be removed if the batteries need to be changed. Battery life is rated for up to a year and is user replaceable. The pod is waterproof to some degree in the sense that heavy sweat and the occasional downpour during your runs will not affect performance, but one cannot fully immerse it in water for prolonged periods of time. It is only available in a single color, and while that may be puzzling at first, it is actually a smart decision on Garmin's part as the unit is highly visible on nearly all colors of clothing. This is a blessing as the pod is slightly larger than a peanut M&M and can easily be forgotten about once you throw your running shorts in a hamper. The unit is so light at 12 grams that the user forgets it's even there during a workout. The silicone-layered clip is strong and never once has the pod fallen off during or after a workout. Number 2. Garmin Running Pod Anti-Lost Kit. Say goodbye to lost running pods. This handy kit keeps your pod safe and secure, so you can focus on your workout. It's designed to prevent accidental washing machine trips. The secure attachment keeps it safely with you. The generous length gives you plenty of room to move, ensuring it stays put even during intense workouts. No more fumbling around. It's compact and lightweight, so it won't weigh you down. The protective silicone case keeps it safe from scratches and bumps. We stand behind our product. Enjoy a 3-month warranty for peace of mind. We'll replace it if there are any quality issues. What we like. This anti-lost kit keeps your running pod safe and secure. If you're worried about losing your running dynamics pod, this is a must-have accessory. The silicone case protects your device and the long rope prevents accidental loss. The warranty provides peace of mind, making it a smart investment for protecting your gadget. It's perfect for those who want to keep their pod safe and sound. What people say. The product was well packaged and made. I never need to worry about losing my pod anymore. It is nicely designed and highly recommended. Good insurance to have so you don't worry about losing your pod. Number 1. CaseSack Garmin Running Pod Case. This sleek case is designed to perfectly fit your Garmin Running Dynamic Pod. It's the ultimate protection for your valuable device. Keep it safe from bumps, scratches, and daily wear and tear. It's built to last, ensuring your pod stays in top condition. It's custom designed for a snug fit, so it won't slip or slide around. Your pod will be secure and protected at all times. It's not just for Garmin. It also fits the Bad Elf 2200 Pro and 2300 models. Yet versatile protection for multiple devices. Simply slide your device in and out. It's convenient and easy to access your pod whenever you need it. Made from high-quality materials for long-lasting durability. It's an investment in the protection of your valuable running technology. What we like. This protective case keeps your running dynamics pod safe from damage. If you're looking for a way to protect your investment and keep your pod safe from scratches and bumps, this is the ideal solution. Its compact design ensures easy portability, and its compatibility with other devices makes it a versatile accessory. It's perfect for those who want to keep their pod in top condition. What people say. Great protector from drops and scratches. Keeps my AirPod case and cable organized. Practical and easy to identify. Compact and I add color. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.